Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On tonight's video guys, we're going to be making pork neck bones over some steamed rice and peppers. I had these neck bones sitting in my freezer guys, so I decided to get these things thawed out so I can have a delicious home cooked meal. So here's the peppers that I'm going to be using that I got from Walmart. I'm also going to be seasoning with lawry seasoning salt. I also am going to be seasoning with regular black pepper. I'm also going to be using some ground garlic powder, and I will be using smoked paprika. All of those things guys, I'll be using that to season the neck bones, and I'll be boiling them in some water. First off guys, the first step, I rinsed off those neck bones with some cold water just to get off the ice, and then I added my black pepper to the pot to season on top of those neck bones. You can add as much or as little pepper as you want. It just depends on how much seasoning you want. I'm also going to be adding our lawry seasoning salt guys. I add a generous amount of that because I do want my neck bones to be seasoned well. Now I'm just going to add on a little bit of the ground garlic powder that I had left in this bottle guys. I'm just going to pretty much use just about the rest of it almost. And last but not least guys, I'm going to go ahead and put in some smoked paprika. Once you guys get everything seasoned into the pot guys, I'm just going to use my hands, that's why I got the gloves on, to mix everything up so the neck bones can have seasoning all throughout. Alright, so after you rub everything together and make sure that all your neck bones are well seasoned, that the seasoning touch every single neck bone inside of your pot, go ahead and add your green peppers, your red peppers, and your onion blend. Now this is completely optional guys. I just wanted to add some peppers to it guys to give us a little bit more flavoring, but there are so many different ways to cook neck bones guys, but this is the way that I wanted to cook them this evening. Now you can add as much or as less peppers if you want guys. There's no set rule on how many peppers to add to your neck bone blend, but this is how much that I wanted to add. Now I'm going to place this pot of, I'm covered with water. I'm going to place it with the lid on and boil these neck bones for about 2.5 hours guys. I let it slow simmer. Look at that guys. These are going to be some delicious neck bones. And I'm just letting that simmer on medium heat for about 2.5 hours. And you can cook these a lot faster guys. It's just the way I want to do it. But here's the end result guys. I just boiled some white rice inside of some chicken broth. I put the neck bone on top, put a little bit of the broth over top guys, and there you have it. Some delicious neck bones with peppers and rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and share the video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.